How to blur face in CapCut PC. First, copy the video and paste it to add it over the first one. Click on the effects option at the top and find the blur effect. Drag the blur effect over the timeline and add it into the video layer. Select the blurred video and find the mask button. Click on Add Mask and select the circle mask. Then resize and reposition it over the face. If the camera is moving, add keyframes to the beginning and end of the video. Move the blur to the part where you need to move it and add keyframes. Repeat this process to end of the video. So that's how you can blur face in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.